We want to highlight and showcase innovations and strengths of the students, technologies that are already around us, and use the resources that we have already.
The ability to learn a theory and then go into the lab and make something and then go into a STEM gym and make it work and then compete against your friends, that is powerful learning.
In order for our students to be able to compete in a global knowledge economy, we've got to provide them with a foundation and training in STEM. And the earlier you can plant those seeds, the better, and today we're planting those seeds.